Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest gadgets and accessories to help you make informed choices. Today, we're taking a closer look at the FekiLoot Beach Maui Hawaii Sunset Seawaves Cloud CD case. A hard plastic DVD disc storage solution designed for portability, organization, and style. If you've been struggling with cluttered discs or are simply looking for a sleek way to transport your CDs and DVDs, this might be exactly what you need. The FekiLoot CD case stands out with its smooth plastic construction, giving it a structured yet lightweight feel. It's designed to hold up to 40 discs securely, so you don't have to worry about scratches or misplaced media. Its compact dimensions make it easy to store in backpacks, car compartments, shelves, or even a drawer at home, making it ideal for daily use, travel, or road trips. One of the key features of this disc holder is its smooth zipper and integrated handle. The zipper glides effortlessly, providing quick access to your collection without any hassle. Meanwhile, the handle ensures comfortable carrying. So whether you're moving between home, office, or on the go, the FekiLoot CD case remains convenient and practical. Beyond functionality, this storage solution also scores on aesthetics. The Beach Maui Hawaii Sunset Seawaves Clouds design gives it a visually appealing look, blending a modern, clean style with a subtle touch of personality. This makes it more than just a storage accessory, it's a stylish way to organize your music, movies, or work files. Whether you're a student needing to carry study materials, a professional with work files on disk, or a music and movie enthusiast, this CD holder keeps everything neat and accessible. Its hard plastic construction ensures durability while keeping your disc scratch-free. And the slim design prevents it from feeling bulky even when fully loaded. In addition, the FekiLoot CD case can serve as a thoughtful gift for music lovers or anyone who appreciates organized media. There's even the option for personalization if available, allowing you to add a unique touch. In conclusion, the FekiLoot Beach Maui Hawaii Sunset Seawaves Clouds CD case combines style, functionality, and portability. It's lightweight yet sturdy, compact yet capable of holding up to 40 discs. And designed to make your life easier whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move. If you're looking for a reliable, aesthetically pleasing way to store and carry your CD or DVD collection, this might just be the perfect option. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights into the latest products.